I'm liking following this K1600. I don't normally like following bikes or any cars, but following another K1600 is actually really good. I'm sorry about the screen, guys. Sam's going to need a real good clean after this, and I think it's going to be a soap and water job, because whatever that screen cleaner is, it's not good. If it ain't got that swing, you're doing it wrong. Young lady on a bike, that's nice to see. As part of the American Motorcycle Association, we're promoting all kinds of bikers, everybody onto two wheels, whether you do off-road, on-road, trial, track, road. It's nice to have you on board. So it's time to go, because now I'm tired. I've had enough of following somebody else. K1600s were never meant to follow, they were meant to lead. That was a 1600, and I allowed him to lead for a little while, but now I've had enough, and now I'm leading, because he was too slow, dude. I think I'll take Sam home, wash her, get her all clean and tidy, and then get her stowed away. Now on a K1600, we don't hang off bike. We can, but we don't need to. It's all about counter steering. And then thunderous acceleration. I mean, that's just what life is all about. It's a nice day. Not overly warm, but it's not a bad day. You gotta love that sound. I mean, turbine smoothers, just listen to the turbine just pulling. I mean, that is amazing, isn't it? And this is over 100,000 miles. I mean, we're talking, well, almost 140,000. And she's been well used, she's gone everywhere, she's done everything, she's been well looked after, she's been absolutely well and truly abused in every way, and she still pulls like a trooper. She still kicks ass like no one else. I I mean, for me, this is my favourite bike ever. I was asked if Sam was definitely my favourite and the best bike I've ever ridden, and hand on heart I can say yes. She is the best bike I've ever ridden. I've ridden over 50, and yeah, she's still the best. She's still the strongest for her size and power. She's really agile, but more importantly, two up, she can tour all day. She can give me good fuel consumption. She can give me a damn good hiding on speed if I need to. I get good wind protection, good rain protection, heated seats, heated handlebars, well, heated grips, sorry, and a really comfortable seat. Just don't make the mistake and wear Marks and Spencer's boxer shorts, because when it's cold and the BMW heated seat is on, it actually melts the oh god, I burnt my ass, guys. Yeah, the elastin that's in the boxer shorts, it melted them and gave me a blister the size of my foot, and it was over 12 inches bloody long across my butt and thigh. I was just so lucky it missed my nads, and I had two of them, one either side. And man, was I just pissed. And there's an Audi that knows where it's going. I don't think so. And a nice gentle bimble back. And then I'll go and get some soap, water, and Sam gets a damn good wash. I don't like it.